Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This is Mehran and you are watching Dynamic Tech. So today I have got the Poco M3 and the Oppo A52 and I am gonna do a quick speed test comparison between both of them to see the gaming performance and to find out which is best and which one you should buy, especially for heavier games such as Pubg mobile game, Fortnite and Call of Duty mobile game, between the Poco M3 and the Oppo A52. So let's not waste any further time and get into the speed test. So as always, the first test will be a boot up test and here we go. Now it's going to be interesting speed test because the Poco M3 is a bit cheaper and also it is the lightest one. Let's talk about some basic specifications. On the Poco M3 we have got Snapdragon 662 chipset, while on the Oppo A52 we have got Snapdragon 665 chipset, which is a bit updated than the Poco M3. And both of them have got 4 gigs of RAM. So let's see who is going to be the winner of this race. And you guys can see the first boot up test won by the Poco M3 and it was very quick out here in the first boot up test, and I think it was around 3 to 4 second difference in the first boot up test, which is a huge difference. Now you guys can see I have installed nearly the same applications, and with the help of these apps we are gonna see the gaming performance of the Poco M3 against the Oppo A52. So let's see which one of them is gonna perform better than the other one. So before starting the speed test, you guys can see both of them have got the same Wi-Fi connection and also everything is completely turned off. So starting from some light applications, and the first one is going to be phone dialer. Well, you can see this one goes to the Oppo A52, but the difference was very minimal. Messages, and it was about the same. Camera, well, you can see again this one goes to the Oppo A52. Till now the Oppo A52 is performing better than the Poco M3. Now let's try these third-party applications to see the real difference and to find out the faster one between both of them. So guys, it was a gaming test. Now we are about to do the RAM management test between both of them, because that is the part of this test and also that is very important. And after this test we will talk about which is best, and I will share my honest opinion about both of them. So stay tuned. Welcome back guys. So it was a gaming test and RAM management test between the Poco M3 and the Oppo A52, and as you guys saw here, the gaming performance of both of them, some of the application tests won by the Poco M3 but some of them won by the Oppo A52. And if you talk about the price, so the Poco M3 is cheaper, and also there was a little bit difference in gaming performance between both of them, and the RAM management of both of them was bad, so it is really confusing that which is best. But to be honest, I would recommend the Poco M3 over the Oppo A52 because it is the lightest phone. Also it have got a huge battery which is 6000 mAh, as well as it is cheaper. So if you guys are thinking to buy any of them especially for gaming or for normal use, I will definitely prefer the Poco M3 over the Oppo A52. Okay guys, so it was all from us for today. Make sure to subscribe our channel and give thumbs up to this video. Thanks for watching us, and we'll see you in my next video.